Eve and National Champagne Day. And nothing pairs better with a nice bottle of champagne than bread. But what do bread and champagne have in common? Let's explore it. Nothing signifies a celebration better than a nice cold glass of champagne. But what is champagne? Well, we know it's a type of sparkling wine, and true aficionados would say a sparkling wine from the Champagne region of France. Champagne is said to have been invented by accident by a French monk named Dom Pérignon. When Dom Pérignon was making his wine, he didn't realize that the yeast had gone dormant during the winter time. So, after the wine was bottled, the yeast went back to making carbon dioxide gas, the gas that gives champagne its bubbles. The bubbles in champagne are the same bubbles found in soda, sparkling water, beer, and yes, well, we'll save that for another. Saccharomyces cerevisiae is a single-celled fungus used in the making of beer and wine. It converts glucose or sugar into carbon dioxide and ethanol in a process called fermentation. If the bottle is sealed during the fermentation process, the carbon dioxide gas gets dissolved in the liquid and is released as bubbles when the container is open. Be careful if you're doing your own fermentation, because if there's too much carbon dioxide released or the bottle is too weak, the bottle can actually explode, as our friend Dom Pérignon found out many years ago. Yeast is also used in baking bread, and in this case the carbon dioxide causes the bread to rise. The connection between champagne and bread, it's Saccharomyces cerevisiae, our single-celled friend, the yeast, and the chemical reaction, fermentation.